So folks, tonight we're going to talk about Openshot, OBS, and Handbrake. Now I shoot all my screenshots here in OBS. The output from this is going to be like 1152 by 720. That's what I have it set at. We're kind of stuck with that because of the display ratio going to my monitor. The graphics card would be easily capable of doing the 1280 by 720 or even 1920 by 1080, except it can only put out what the monitor can accept. So, all that being said, let's go over here and we're going to go into Openshot, and here's a little piece of a video I did back on the 9th. I'm just going to drop it in here, which I've already done. It's what, 240, almost 250 in seconds long. Not a big deal. So we would then hit File, Export Video, and we're going to call this Demo Clip 1. And I'll go to Web, YouTube HD. We're going to just tell it to do it at 25 frames a second. We're going to use medium quality. And then we would hit Export Video. I'm not going to bother doing that right now because I've already actually done that before I ever started screenshotting this. So, that's done, right? So now you've got your video. And maybe you put it all together with your intro and your outro and all that stuff. Well, for simplicity's sake, we're just going with this. So that has been completed. Next, you're going to go to Handbrake. And I've already pulled it in. Actually, I'm going to restart Handbrake for you so you can see what we're doing here. There's good old Handbrake. Now we know we got like 93 meg, right? So we're gonna go grab a file, and there's our demo clip 1, which I did. I'm gonna say open. And I'll show you here. Demo clip, 93.8 meg, that little bitty file. Alright, so we're gonna have to pick a preset here. And I got a custom preset already called Squeeze Openshot. And I am going to make one change to it. We're going to, go right up to 25 frames per second. That's all we need to do. Set my quality to 20. And we're good to go, except for we have to figure out where to save it. So we're going to call this Demo Clip 1, or Clip 1-C for compressed. Oop. If I could type, it'd be so much easier. There's C1. This is going to be the first demo. We're going to hit save. Now all you have to do, your button turns green. We're going to start encoding. And then I'm going to come back. When it's done, we'll show you how big it got. This is using h264, so let's go with that. We'll see how long this takes. The current time is 7:36 p.m. And I'll get back when it's done. As you can see, it's pretty much cruising. It's going to keep climbing here, but not much. Yeah, about 3 minutes. We'll be back in a second, and we'll go on from there. So folks, we're back now. It's done. The queue is finished. It's now 7:39. Actually, I was away from the desk for a second. It actually finished about 7:38. All done, right? We're going to close out of that. I'm gonna go here and check how much it compressed it down. There it is. 6.85 meg. The video quality is the same. The sound will be the same. Pretty good reduction there, huh? Alright, now we're gonna go back in and we're gonna try out Handbrake. Again, this time we're gonna use a preset for h265 or HEVC encoding. This is going to take a lot longer. So I'm going to open that file. Now I have a preset for this. H265 720. I got web optimized going. I'm going to lower that to 25, just to, you know, make things even. I'm going to lower the quality also to 20. Alright. Now, we're going to save this as C2. Alright. Pretty simple. We're going to hit the button. Now here's where the CI323 Zotac struggles. This is going to take roughly twice to 3 times the processing power to handle. So I'm going to hit start encode. The current time is 7:42 p.m. And watch that time climb here. How long it's going to take. And it's still going up, folks. It's going to keep going up. We're going to watch that for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, it's still cruising along pretty good. Now, I got a lot of stuff open. You know, I got Chrome open. I got the file manager open. I got OBS running, of course. And we still have Openshot open, which we really don't need anymore. But we're already up to 10 minutes. Triple the time so far. So we're going to put that in the background. We're going to kill Openshot here because I don't really need this for anything. And say, nah, don't save that project. Now, this is going to take a while, folks. Finally, the time is dropping. But it's 3 times as long. So let's say you make a 10-minute video. Yeah. It's not going to go that quickly. I will come back as soon as this is done. Alright, folks, we're back. As you can see, the time elapsed 8 minutes, 9 minutes, a little over that. We're almost done here. Almost 3 times as much to encode it, or transcode it, whatever term you want to use. And then we're going to go ahead and check and see how small it got. And is it worth it? At least in my case. I mean, normally I don't shoot videos this short. And it's almost done, but not quite. Now it's done. It's now 10:51, almost 10 minutes. Right in the ballpark. Check clip 2. 7.18 versus 6.85. They're going to look about the same. We're going to fire this up, see what we get here. We're going to look at the first couple of seconds. Alright, folks, I'm back. As you can see, the video quality is fine, the audio is fine on this one. A3 before anyone had. Alright, now let's look at the h265. See what we get there. And alright folks, I'm back. There's virtually no difference, in October, folks. I can't tell the difference. It might be a little better picture on the h265. Anyone had a hands-on. That's all I know. I was just looking. So you can see those two clips. The h265 didn't look that much better. And that's all I got for tonight. So if you like this video, found it helpful at all or informative, make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel.